I made very big challenge for myself. It was so hard, and what kind of results I got, I'll tell you today. Well, this video will be interested to people who are work for themselves. I mean, freelance or something like that, who creators and don't understand how to organize their job, their art. So I'm an artist. This is my art, and I made very hard for me challenge on December. Today's March. On December, I told myself you have to finish this series of painting until 1 year. And I had about 8 or 9 days until 1 year, and it was hard because I didn't know will I finish or no. And this is new for me. So I am a new artist. I do my art only 1 year. So this is just 1 year, and I had a lot of thoughts inside myself, like why, what should I do? And it's so this challenge made new person inside me. You know, it's really inspired me. It's really helped me to understand how it works, and it really completely changed many things. So yeah, can you believe that I made 3 large paintings in 6 months and 4 large paintings in 1 week, just because of challenge? And they are the same. I mean, they are the same technique, the same composition. They are not so different. And I thought, oh my God, how it could be? It's kind of incredible. You know, first thing I got from this challenge is deadline. It's everything. It's really everything, because if you have deadline, you just always have only one important thing you have to do. Because before, I had a lot of different important things. I have to go to the gym, I have to create my schedule, I have to do like many some art projects, do some stories or posts or many things, because I'm building my career, my art career since zero, and it's really a lot for the beginnings. But when you have deadline, you also understand, okay, this is the most important thing. I have to finish my paintings. I have to finish my projects. I have to finish it. Yeah. And I had about like 1.5 day for one paintings. Look at this. This is my paintings. They're really large, and all of them I created just for one and a half day. And it was magic, because I thought and I told myself, okay, be honest. You have deadline. You have this large canvas. You have to make something for finish it, even if it's not perfect, if it's not ideal. Because I also think like when I look at my pictures right now, I'm still see many problems, like I could put more colors here, or I could made another composition there. And it's always like this. If you artist, and I'm not talking about artists who do only paint. I think each person is artist, really. It depends on your art, but if you do your job and you want to continue in this job, if you do your job not because of money and that's it, you also artist, because you create something, because you want to grow up in this area of life, you know. And I made deadline. I just understood how deadline is important. I was so honest with myself. I just told myself, okay, do as much as you can in this deadline, not more. You can paint all every day. You can paint all the day, or you can paint 3 hours a day and then do whenever you want. But you have to make something looks like finish. And I did it, and it was so nice, because before I just continued and continued and continued, and the fact is, nothing different. I mean, not nothing different technique between my first paintings when I did like a few months, or last painting when I did 1.5 um, day. And I am not professional artist. I am not a person who can create exactly what I see inside my hand. So I care about technique, but this is kind of level. And I just understood, okay, this is your level for now. Do as much as you can. Another things from this challenge I got is public affection. It's so important. I mean, I made a lot of challenges in my life. Like it was always like experimenting, or I pushed myself to be more productive, more stronger. It's about many things, like sport, like schedule, like food, and many things like that. But I didn't tell anyone about it. I just was inside and between myself, and that's it. And if you do it, it's so easy to stop before your deadline. And it was so hard to say everyone in my Instagram like I have a challenge, because this is my first paintings, this is my first time, this is my first year in as an artist, and many things, like everything, it's just my first time. And uh, I couldn't tell like I really can do that, because I didn't know. But I just understood, okay, if I my motivation was, if I tell everybody about my challenge, I can be regular in my Instagram. I mean, I can make my stories about it. I also will have some point to be in stories, to be in posts. And it's so important for me, because if I stopped posting in my Instagram, I I feel I feel worse, really worse, because I I started to think about myself a lot, like how I don't good enough and everything like that. But when I keep my communication with the world in the Instagram, I feel better, because I feel alive, and I feel like, okay, now I'm here, and it's really balanced for me. And it's so important to keep going and don't stop it, personally for me. And I just said it, and it's also, when I said to everyone, like I have challenge, I got more energy, be more honest. It means like I stopped spend my energy for nothing, but I just came more inside myself and inside the process. Because I just understood, okay, this is my responsibility, and this is my job, and this is my honesty, not with everybody, but with myself also, because I just told myself, if you don't finish, it's okay. And this is so important, to be honest. I mean, with the world, I said it honestly. To myself, I told myself honestly, like, do as much as you can, but be honest, okay? And and it made me more balanced. It's very important. And I heard about telling about your challenges in the Instagram or another social media, but I was afraid. I was afraid to don't finish, to do not more enough, to look like I am not professional, or I am not so serious, or I am not good enough, or many things like that. But I can't be another person if only myself. And when I when I say every time, uh, really honest, my real life, when I show everybody my real life, my real thoughts, it it makes me more energy, because I don't spend my time and my energy to create some another character, to show everybody like I'm different, but I'm not, because it's all about energy. I don't have my energy is so limited, and my time is so limited, so I can't, I have to remove each trash in my life, and this is trash. If you want to look more than you are, you spend more energy for nothing, because everybody will look at you like at you, not in character you build. It's so clearly to understand who is honest and who is not, and everybody understand it. If you think it's you are very good actor, I think you have some part of your I don't know, your character, when people think and understand it's not about honesty. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got from this challenge is, your career is your job. It wasn't new thing, new thoughts for me, but it was a new experience for me, because I heard about it like, do your Instagram as your job, do your art as your job, do your hobby as your job, and I didn't I didn't do that. I didn't understand exactly what does it mean, because I didn't have experience, but now I have, and I understand how it works. So if you uh, I started to be honest with myself, because I had a lot of hobbies and a lot of interested in different part of areas of life, and I did a lot. I had a lot of businesses. I tried a lot of different things, but I just ask myself, okay, you do art. You want to do it just for fun, or hobby, or you want to create some career. You want to be like artists and get some money from this, and have some exhibitions and everything, as professional artist. And I told myself, yes, I want some benefits. I don't want to do it just as hobby, like I do basketball, and I don't care if somebody don't know about it. No, I want to show my art. I want uh, to show everybody what I do, because I think it's nice. And when I think like that, I also understand like, okay, but to do your job correctly and nicely, because each job has deadline. Each job has like some responsibility and some criterias. And if you are professional artist, you have to make nice job in some deadline. It's not just do something, and it's not just do something. No, not anymore. No, it's kind of you have to um, okay, for example, each brand, for example, Prada can't let themselves be worse than before, be not good. So I think it's kind of like this. If you professional artist or another profession, uh, you can't be worse than before. You have to be only better than before. You know what I'm saying? And you have to keep your level, and every time be more, be better. And if you just make do something as your hobby, you you can let yourself down. You can tell yourself, okay, I will do it today, like on only 50%. But if it's your job, if it's your profession, you can't be worse. Because you have clients, you have people who expect like the level from you. And even if it's so hard, even if you don't have enough time or energy or mood or many things like that, you have to be nice. You have to be better or the same, not worse. You know what I'm saying? And this is kind of very important, because I made my challenge. I just create like a role inside me, like, okay, I'm professional artist. If I a professional artist, how can I do my professional job? What is my schedule about? How I look, how I do my Instagram? Because if you started to be professional, you can't remove something important in your life. You have to just be more. So yeah, this is really nice challenge. This is a really nice experience, and for now I understand this is really my way to make some challenges official. I mean, to tell everybody what kind of challenge, because challenges, it's like a way to check something not too long, and really be honest and really realize and really understand what works and what doesn't. Because I have a lot of ideas in my hand, like everybody, in my parents, other people, friends, people like successful people from YouTube canal. They always tell some nice advices how to make your life better, how to be better, how to be more beautiful, healthier, and many things like that. And I always heard them. And for now, I just have a lot of ideas inside my hand, and I also don't understand what is works really and what it doesn't. I just believe that I have to do it, but I don't have enough time, and it always stress. So for now, I started to check each idea. Is it works for me or no? In a very short deadline. For example, I made my series of painting for it was 8 days, maybe 8.5 days, and I had understood it works. So I will keep going. I will always have some and make some deadlines for my art projects, and do as much as I can, as professional as I can, as beautiful and everything like that as I can in this kind of deadline, because it really works. And I feel better when I finish some art projects, because I know you can be better always. You can continue, but when you stop, when you finish, you got more energy for another art projects. And I'm not a person who can do the same art projects whole my life, like Leonardo da Vinci, but but yeah, this is my way. And it's really nice, because sometimes you just believe in some ideas, but you always don't do it enough, because it's so hard, and because you can't push yourself to do it whole your life. And challenges, it's the way for really check each ideas, um, each way, and make a choice what is works for you and what is not. So this is YouTube canal. I started this YouTube canal as like my thoughts about something, but now I'm focused on sharing my own experience, my own challenges, what I got as a result, what I didn't get, so, and everything like that. So follow me, likes me if you like this video, and let see you in the next video in the next week. I will share you my another challenge. Bye bye.